In this video, we will see a comparison between LastPass Free versus Premium. Let's get started. LastPass enhances password management and security accessible across all your devices. Let's go down. On the very left side, you can see the pricing option. Click over here. Here you can see the plan that is best for you. In single users and families, you have a free and premium plan, while in business, you can go with a team or business plan. Let's explore the free versus premium plan. In Pre All Features, you can see the free plan and a premium plan for $3 per month. User limit is 1 for both plans. In Password Management, users manage an unlimited number of passwords. In device type, free is limited to 1 device, on the other hand, premium unlimited device. LastPass has 2 accessible device types, computer or mobile. In Automatic Device Sync, you can add items on one device and they automatically sync across all your devices, browsers and apps in both plans. In a Secure Password Vault, you can add your encrypted, secure space for all of your accounts, passwords, notes, files, payment cards, and more in both plans. Both plans also offer to save and autofill the same passwords to stop typing again and again. In both plans, password generators avoid password reuse and let LastPass auto-generate random, secure passwords for all of your accounts. One-to-one securely share all of your passwords and saved items with one trusted family member or friend. Sharing options offers safely sharing passwords and login credentials with multiple people you trust to make account access convenient. This option is only available in the premium plan. Both plans you cannot share as many account details and items as you need in convenient folders, ensuring access is authorized and safe. You can secure notes like store, organization, and access valuable information, addresses, credit cards, and more than 50 megabytes of storage, while in the premium you can have 1 gigabyte storage. In both plans, LastPass not offering a family manager dashboard. In security, both plans offer a security dashboard, date security score, and access to other features that increase account security. Both offer dark web monitoring of your accounts and receive immediate alerts if a data breach is identified. Passwordless login: set your master password aside and log into your vault using your biometrics, the LastPass Authenticator app, or any certified authenticator in both plans. Emergency access is only available in the premium plan. But multi-factor authentication is available in both free and premium plans. LastPass Authenticator access is available in both plans. In advanced multi-factor authentication options, you can use third-party authenticator tools like YubiKey only in the premium version. In support, you have self-service resources 24/7. But personal support only in the premium plan. You can choose any plan that is best for your needs. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.